Follow this video to unzip multiple files with one command, in Python 3.x. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is for you, you are having Python programming language installed. If you haven't installed and want this way, go to www.python.org and install this. Otherwise, use the 7-zip method. See the second YouTube video in the description. Please copy the Python script to your PC from the description. If this is not working, try the second Python script. Please run the Python script. If it does not work, try the second Python script. In the following, I will show you how this is run in Windows 10 using Python. In the Python 3 code, in the first URI is the source folder, which has 2 zip files. And in the second URI is the destination of extracted folders after running the Python script. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.